The northern lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis, are a breathtaking natural phenomenon that paints the night sky with vibrant colors. Imagine a celestial ballet of shimmering lights dancing across the darkness. This magical display is created by a fascinating interplay between the sun and Earth. It all begins with the sun, our very own star, which constantly emits a stream of charged particles known as the solar wind. When these particles reach Earth, they encounter our planet's protective magnetic field. This field acts like a shield, deflecting most of the solar wind. However, some particles get trapped in the magnetic field lines and are drawn towards the Earth's poles. As these charged particles collide with atoms in the Earth's upper atmosphere, they transfer energy, causing the atoms to become excited. This excitation is short-lived, and the atoms quickly release the extra energy in the form of light. This emitted light is what we perceive as the mesmerizing northern lights. The different colors of the aurora are a result of the types of atoms involved in the collisions and the altitude at which they occur. Green, the most common color, is produced by oxygen molecules at lower altitudes. Higher up, oxygen can also create red hues. Nitrogen, on the other hand, contributes to the blue, purple, and pink shades that add to the aurora's visual symphony. March 2025 presents a unique opportunity for skywatchers in the UK, promising an elevated chance to witness the Northern Lights. This is due to a fascinating celestial event, the approaching solar maximum. The sun goes through an 11-year cycle characterized by periods of high and low activity. During solar maximum, the sun is at its most active, with an increase in sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections. These events release massive bursts of energy and charged particles into space, some of which head towards Earth. This surge in solar activity significantly increases the likelihood of auroras occurring at lower latitudes, making them visible from places like the UK. Furthermore, March 20th, 2025 is forecasted as a particularly optimal viewing date. Astronomers predict a heightened chance of a geomagnetic storm around this time, further amplifying the Northern Lights display. But the celestial excitement doesn't end there. A powerful solar blast on March 1st, 2025, caused a coronal mass ejection that's expected to hit Earth around March 4th to 5th. This CME has the potential to spark a G1 minor to G2 moderate geomagnetic storm, creating even more opportunities to witness the aurora's splendor. While the increased solar activity in March 2025 enhances the chances of seeing the Northern Lights from the UK, choosing the right location can dramatically improve your viewing experience. The key is to escape the clutches of light pollution, which can easily wash out the subtle hues of the aurora. Rural areas in Scotland, Northern Ireland, and Northern England offer the best chances of witnessing the celestial spectacle. These areas boast vast expanses of darkness, far removed from the intrusive glow of city lights. Imagine standing on a rugged cliff overlooking the North Sea. The only sounds, the gentle lapping of waves and the whisper of the wind. As the Northern Lights shimmer above, reflecting off the water, you'll feel a profound connection with the cosmos. Some specific locations renowned for their dark skies and excellent Northern Lights viewing opportunities include Cairngorms National Park, Scotland. This park boasts some of the darkest skies in the UK, making it an ideal spot for aurora hunting. Northumberland National Park, England. Designated as an international dark sky park, Northumberland offers stunning views of the night sky free from light pollution. Isle of Skye, Scotland. Known for its dramatic landscapes and remote location, the Isle of Skye provides a magical setting for witnessing the Northern Lights. The Northern Lights are elusive performers, gracing the sky at their own whim. However, understanding their preferred show times can increase your chances of catching them in action. While the aurora can technically appear at any time, the optimal viewing window is typically between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. During these hours, the Earth's orientation relative to the Sun and the flow of the solar wind create the most favorable conditions for auroral displays. Imagine the anticipation building as you settle into your chosen viewing spot, the darkness deepening as the night progresses. As the clock ticks closer to midnight, you glance upward, hoping to catch the first flicker of green or purple light. Remember, the aurora is a fickle phenomenon. It can appear suddenly, dance across the sky for hours, or vanish as quickly as it arrived. Patience is key, and the reward of witnessing this celestial ballet is well worth the wait. Section 5. Prepare for the show. Tips for optimal viewing. Witnessing the northern lights is an awe-inspiring experience, but a little preparation can go a long way in ensuring a successful and enjoyable viewing. Before you embark on your aurora hunting adventure, consider these essential tips. First, check the weather forecast. Clear skies are crucial for optimal northern lights viewing. Cloudy or overcast conditions can obscure the aurora, leaving you disappointed. So consult local weather forecasts and choose a night with the highest probability of clear skies. Second, embrace technology with aurora forecasting apps. Embrace the power of technology and download a real-time aurora forecast app like Aurora WatchX. These apps provide up-to-date information on geomagnetic activity and aurora predictions, increasing your chances of being in the right place at the right time. Next, dress warmly. Remember, you'll be outdoors in the late evening or early morning hours, often in remote locations. Temperatures can drop significantly, so dress in warm layers to stay comfortable throughout your aurora watching session. Finally, pack snacks and drinks. Patience is a virtue when it comes to aurora hunting. Pack some snacks and warm drinks to keep your energy levels up while you wait for the celestial show to begin. Section 6. Capture the moment. Photography tips for the northern lights. The ethereal beauty of the northern lights begs to be captured and shared. With a little know-how and the right equipment, you can preserve your memories of this celestial spectacle through stunning photographs. Here are some essential tips for photographing the aurora. First, use a tripod. The long exposure times required to capture the northern lights necessitate a stable platform for your camera. A sturdy tripod will eliminate camera shake and ensure sharp images. Second, embrace long exposures. Experiment with long exposure settings to capture the movement and vibrancy of the aurora. Start with exposures of 10 to 20 seconds and adjust based on the brightness of the lights and the desired effect. Third, adjust ISO and aperture. Finding the right balance between ISO and aperture is crucial for capturing well-exposed images of the northern lights. Start with a lower ISO, around 800, and a wider aperture, f2, 8 or lower, and adjust as needed. Finally, focus manually. Autofocus can struggle in low light conditions, so switch to manual focus for sharper images. Use the live view function on your camera and zoom in on a bright star to fine-tune your focus. Section 7. Respecting the night sky, etiquette and safety measures. As you venture out to witness the northern lights, it's essential to prioritize safety and respect for the environment and others. Remember, you're sharing this experience with fellow aurora chasers and the natural world. First, respect private property. When choosing a viewing location, ensure you have permission to be there, especially if it's on private land. Stick to designated viewing areas and avoid trespassing. Second, minimize light pollution. Artificial lights can diminish the visibility of the northern lights. Be mindful of your surroundings and minimize your use of flashlights, car headlights, and other light sources. Third, stay aware of your surroundings. When venturing into remote areas at night, it's crucial to be aware of your surroundings. Watch out for uneven terrain, wildlife, and other potential hazards. Lastly, let someone know your plans. Before heading out, inform a friend or family member of your intended viewing location and estimated return time. This simple precaution can be crucial in case of an emergency. Section 8. Share your story. Join the Aurora Chasers community. The thrill of witnessing the northern lights is amplified by sharing the experience with others. Join the vibrant online community of Aurora Chasers and share your stories, photos and tips. Social media platforms, photography forums and dedicated Aurora watching websites offer platforms to connect with fellow enthusiasts from around the world. Share your awe-inspiring images, exchange tips on viewing locations and photography techniques, and revel in the shared passion for this celestial wonder. Your experiences can inspire others to embark on their own aurora hunting adventures, fostering a greater appreciation for the beauty and wonder of the night sky. Section 9. Stay connected. More celestial wonders await. The northern lights are just one of the many breathtaking spectacles that grace our night sky. From meteor showers to lunar eclipses, the cosmos offers a never-ending display of wonder and awe. Stay connected with celestial events by subscribing to astronomy magazines, following space agencies on social media, and visiting science museums and planetariums. Embrace the opportunity to deepen your understanding of the universe and expand your cosmic horizons. Who knows what other celestial wonders await your discovery?